Hello once again, people. Welcome to lockpicking number 2. Today we're going to go through tension and tension wrenches. First I'm going to show you, well, different types. You got your really tiny double-ended type thing. You got simple stuff made out of a bobby pin, and because of the variety and shape and random types of locks that you may want to pick, some have deep recesses, so you're going to need something like this to reach into deeper recessed locks. If you're looking for versatility, by all means remember to, if you're going to make your own tension wrenches, or even if you buy one, taper the end a little, because you may be jumping from a keyway this size, right, which it fits in, and then you may want to pick a lock which is like this size, which it also goes a little deeper and is still functional, whereas eliminating the need for multiple tension wrenches. Okay, so next we'll go through the different types some more. There's your twist flex, which is twisted. I don't really care for them. And then you got your rigid, which is just simply an L bend in a piece of flexible stainless. And then you have your larger twist flex for, I don't know, larger locks, and again with the taper makes it highly versatile, very useful. I always have on hand multiple thicknesses, lengths, tapered, untapered. This one here has a small diamond on the end of it. It's kind of handy dandy, but you can't use both ends at the same time, obviously. I don't know, some people like to put a little shrink wrap around there. For me, I don't like it. It cushions the response too much. I don't get enough feel with it. And what else? Also, this type of tension wrench is, as you can see, it's just twisted again. I'm not sure the correct term for it. What else? You got your real skinny one, and let's see. Oh yeah, here's the new pick that I made today. I don't know. It's I don't know. I like it. Works good. As always, stay out of this kind of thing. Use your head. Don't break the law. Have fun, y'all.